There are hundreds of work order software options out there. After helping facilities and ops teams sort through them for years, I can tell you most of them look the same on paper. Today, I'm narrowing it down to the top 4 that are actually worth your time. I'll cover what each one does best and which one makes the most sense for your size and budget. Let's start with a solid pick for small and mid-sized teams. Something that can handle everything from manufacturing and facilities to property management. MaintainX is great if you just need something your technicians will actually adopt on day one. MaintainX has a mobile-first design. The whole experience is built around technicians working from their phones. If your team is out on the floor or in the field, this matters a lot. With this platform, you're getting work order management, procedure checklists, preventative maintenance scheduling, and parts inventory. I want to focus on the mobile app here, which I found pretty easy to use. Your techs can create and complete work orders from anywhere, and MaintainX guides you through the whole process step by step. Now, pricing starts free on the basics plan with unlimited work orders, but you need a paid plan for unlimited repeating work orders or to attach images and procedures. Those start at $25 per user per month, billed monthly. I also recommend Equips here as another modern, mobile-first CMMS with an easy-to-use work order module. By the way, if MaintainX or Equips sounds like the right fit, or you just want to compare other options, we can help you shortlist vendors at softwareconnect.com for free. Link is in the description. Let's move on to a recommendation I often give to mid-sized teams. MicroMain is great for manufacturing, facilities, and fleet operations that want a full CMMS without the enterprise price tag. On top of work orders, you're getting scheduled maintenance planning, asset management, and inventory tracking all in one system. On the work order side, you can log the order with all the details: asset location, job description, and any special instruction. From there, the system helps automate workflows so jobs get routed and tracked without manual follow-up. It even supports preventative maintenance scheduling, helping you catch issues before they become urgent. And everything creates a digital trail so you can pull the full history of any asset at any time. Then you use the data you've collected to start asking the right questions. Where are you spending the most? What's breaking repeatedly? MicroMain has built-in reporting tools to help you get those answers. For a mid-sized company that's never had visibility into maintenance costs before, this can be a real game changer. Pricing starts at $99 per admin license, then $45 per technician license, billed monthly. Unlike MaintainX, there's no free plan. And in my opinion, the mobile app isn't as polished. Just something to keep in mind if your techs mostly work from their phones. Now, UpKeep's play is ease of use plus AI. This is the platform that's leaning hardest into making work orders smarter, not just digital. I generally recommend this one to small to mid-sized teams in manufacturing, healthcare, education, and property management. On the basics, it covers what you expect: parts, time, and cost tracking. There's also checklists, invoicing directly from a work order, and saved views so you don't have to tweak your filters every time you log in. Let's dig deeper into the AI part of things though. When you close out a work order in UpKeep, you can hit generate, and the system uses AI to write a summary of the issue, the fix, and the outcome. You also get activity summaries that pull together the full history of a work order into one clean snapshot. It goes beyond summarization though. There's also a smart import generator that lets you create checklists by uploading OEM manuals or PDFs. The software uses native language processing to extract guidelines related to maintenance and safety protocols. Then it converts them into task lists for any recurring work orders. Pricing starts at $20 per user per month with unlimited work orders. For tasks like custom checklists or parts and inventory management though, you'll need to upgrade to a higher tier. Now let's talk about a popular pick for industrial and manufacturing teams that need deeper customizations. eMaint is ideal for mid-sized to large companies, particularly those trying to improve their asset reliability and maintenance operations. The work order process is thorough. You create a work order and the system auto-generates the number and date. You assign an asset, write the work description, and assign it to a tech. As the work gets done, you add changes through the related tabs: parts, labor, with start and stop times, or hourly quantities, and miscellaneous costs. When the job's complete, you close it through an actions menu. Everything's documented. But what really sets eMaint apart is how much you can customize. Each user can configure what tables they see, how forms are laid out, and what fields appear on each record. You can drag and drop to rearrange your PM scheduler. You can set up custom themes. And the whole system supports multiple languages on a per-user basis, so each person sees the system text in their own language. Pricing starts at $69 per user per month for the team plan, maxing out at 3 users. All right, let's bring it together. If you're smaller and want a mobile-first app, go with MaintainX. If you're mid-size, look at MicroMain. If you want ease of use plus AI-powered tools, UpKeep is your pick. And if you need the deepest customization and Fluke hardware integration, eMaint is your play. There's no one-size-fits-all here. The right pick depends upon your team size, your industry, and what techs will actually use every day. If you want help narrowing it down, check out softwareconnect.com. We'll match you with the right vendors based on your specific needs for free. Or head over to our work order management software roundup. We have more options there to explore like Equips. And don't forget to check out our CMMS and equipment maintenance videos for even more comparisons. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.